If I wanted to build a gym business to $1 million in 2024, here's exactly what I'd do. Let's assume we're starting with this very average, barely profitable gym, and let's call it Broke Fitness. We're gonna change 5 things about Broke Fitness to skyrocket profitability and turn it into not Broke Fitness. What should we call the new gym? Millionaire Fitness? I like that one. Okay, turn it into Millionaire Fitness. Before we get going, let's understand where Broke Fitness is now. It's a large group training facility. Think like a CrossFit or Orange Theory. Their average member pays them $100 per month, and they have 150 members, which means they're making $15,000 per month right now. The first thing that we're going to change is the offer. How Broke Fitness is getting new members. Currently, they're doing what most gyms do and offering a free class, and they're adding 10 new members per month with 0 advertising because all their leads come from referrals and randomly through their website. What we're going to do is we're going to inject some advertising into this and start spending $100 per day on Facebook and Instagram for a 6-week challenge offer and sign up 20 new members per month at $699 each. Then we're going to have all those referrals and website leads sign up for the challenge as well, bringing our total challenge signups to 30 every single month, making Broke Fitness $21,000 extra per month while only spending $3,000 per month in advertising. This brings the total revenue to $36,000 per month. Next up, we're gonna look at Broke Fitness's monthly churn, which is 10% per month. That's slightly below industry average for group training facilities, but we need to cut this by over 60% for us to turn this gym into Millionaire Fitness by the end of the year. So we're gonna implement what's called the 5 horsemen of retention. We're gonna start by tracking each member's weekly attendance and reaching out to every member that hasn't come to a class by Wednesday of every single week. Then we're also gonna start texting every member once per week just to check in and see how they're doing. The next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna start writing handwritten cards to each member every other month. Then we'll start doing monthly events for our members to increase the sense of community. And for the last of the 5 horsemen, we're gonna start doing exit interviews with every member who requests an exit. Our data at Gym Launch from the last 6 years shows that when the 5 horsemen are implemented, churn in the first month actually spikes by 50% and then decreases by 50% the next month and again by 50% the next month before stabilizing. This would take our churn from 10% to 3.75% in 3 months, which by this point, we've added another 70 members from challenges. So counting the spikes in churn, we're now sitting at 178 members and $38,770 per month. We are now poised to pull the biggest lever we can on our way to Millionaire Fitness. The third thing we're going to do is increase pricing. This is always the best and easiest lever to pull in any business to help it make more money. We know our average member is paying Broke Fitness $100 per month, but we're going to change that. You see, their memberships are set up to where it's $119 a month for unlimited sessions and $99 a month for 3 times a week. But after discounts like family or military discounts, their average member pays roughly $100 per month. Now, they got this pricing like most gyms do by looking at their competition and setting their prices either just above or just below. In this case, they went with just below, not knowing that most gyms aren't very profitable. So how do we change this to turn Broke Fitness into Millionaire Fitness? We first need to understand what type of gym they are and price them at the top range of the market. We'll use this example to guide the conversation. It's an ugly pick, but the point remains. Since we know they're a group fitness facility, we know we can charge over $200 per month. So Millionaire Fitness's new pricing model is going to be $49 a week, but here's the kicker. We're actually gonna bill our members every 4 weeks, which not only doubles our current value per member, but it also earns us 1 extra billing cycle per year, since we're billing every 28 days, which will make us an extra 8% in revenue by the end of the year. We're now at $58,504, and we're only 4 months in, well on our way to $1 million a year gym business. Next up, it's time to implement an upsell strategy and add a semi-private program. By now, 4 months in, this gym has 178 members paying $49 a week, and they're signing up 30 new challenge members per month at $699 a piece. Since we're over 150 members and we've got sub 4% monthly churn, we're gonna launch a semi-private program to our current members. The pricing will be $149 per week for 4-on-1 training, 3 times per week. Using our golden ticket semi-private play that we've developed here at Gym Launch, we're going to use that to sign up 30 members over the following 8 weeks to this new program. Again, all of these new people are not from outside of the gym. These are current members. And so by doing this, we'll sign up 30 new people into this new program, bringing us to the halfway point in the year. So we're 6 months in. Now, the good news is, since we're adding new EFT members every month, our large group member base will actually grow. And our new semi-private program is going to add another $20,000 per month in recurring revenue just from those 30 new clients. This brings our total monthly revenue to $81,875 per month, $21,000 from new challenge sales, $20,000 per month from the semi-private program, and $40,875 per month from the large group training program. Now, all we need to do is add another $2,000 per month, and we're at the $1 million run rate, which will be easy with the final lever that we're going to pull. The last thing that we're going to do, which we could have started with right away, but we didn't just for the sake of this video, is start selling supplements. Most gyms miss out on hundreds of thousands of dollars in revenue a year because they don't offer their clients the same things that they're already buying. It's a huge miss for most gyms, but it's not going to be a miss for this soon-to-be Millionaire Fitness. So we're going to sign up for Prestige Labs' free affiliate program and begin following their sales process, which they teach gym owners for free. Using that process, we'll start closing 75% of all new signups at an average order value of $300 for a 2-month supply of supplements, of which the gym is going to earn 40% commission, which is $120. Now, if we take the 30 new signups per month and a 75% closing rate on subs, that means we're selling 23 people at $120 in commission per sale, adding an extra $2,760 per month, bringing our total monthly revenue to $84,635, our $1 million run rate. So with the supplement sales bringing in $2,760 per month, the new semi-private program at $149 per week, the new pricing going from $100 per month to $196 every 28 days for all the large group members, implementing the 5 horsemen of retention to cut churn from 10% a month to 3.75% a month, and the new 6-week challenge offer that's bringing in 30 clients per month at $699, we've increased the monthly revenue from a measly $15,000 a month to $84,635 per month in just 7 months. And if you want a deeper look into the 30-day cash model we use here at Gym Launch to help gym owners scale their gyms, check out the video here.